Alright, you magnificent market mavericks. Big Money Mike here, coming at you hotter than a freshly overclocked GPU. Welcome to the Market Mindset Podcast, where we're serving up the juiciest stock market tea this side of Wall Street. It's March 20th, 2025, and let me tell you, yesterday was wilder than a roller coaster built by caffeinated monkeys. We saw the Fed do its thing, tech giants joining forces like the Avengers of AI, and Nvidia's CEO dropping some tariff truth bombs. So strap in, because we're about to take this market for a spin. First up, let's talk about Jerome Powell and his merry band of money printers at the Federal Reserve. They kept interest rates steady at 4.25% to 4.5%, surprising absolutely no one. But here's where it gets spicy: they're slowing down their balance sheet runoff, cutting it from $25 billion to $5 billion a month. It's like they're going from a sprint to a leisurely stroll, and the market's not sure whether to cheer or panic. The Fed's crystal ball is showing some cloudy weather ahead. They've slashed their economic growth outlook to a measly 1.7%, down from 2.1% in December. Meanwhile, inflation's looking hotter than a jalapeno in a heat wave, with core prices expected to grow at 2.8% annually. It's like we're dancing on the edge of stagflation, folks, high inflation and low growth. Not exactly the economic party we were hoping for. But wait, there's more. The Fed's dot plot, which is basically their fancy way of predicting future interest rates, is showing 2 potential rate cuts this year. But don't get too excited, because more Fed members are now expecting 1 or 0 cuts. It's like they're playing a game of economic chicken, and we're all along for the ride. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the tech titans teaming up to build the AI promised land. Nvidia, Microsoft, and BlackRock are joining forces in a multi-billion-dollar AI infrastructure fund. It's like the Justice League of tech, but instead of fighting supervillains, they're battling outdated data centers. This AI infrastructure partnership is aiming to raise a cool $100 billion, starting with an initial $30 billion in capital. They're not messing around, folks. This is all about building the data centers and energy projects needed to power our AI-driven future. It's like they're constructing the highways for the self-driving cars of tomorrow. Speaking of Nvidia, CEO Jensen Huang dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through Wall Street. In an interview with our boy Jim Cramer, Huang said that higher tariffs won't hurt Nvidia's business in the near term. It's like he's playing economic chess while the rest of us are still figuring out checkers. This is huge news, considering Trump's recent 25% tariff on imports from Mexico had investors sweating bullets. Nvidia's partners manufacture their AI-powered servers south of the border, so this tariff talk had Wall Street worried. But Huang's confidence is like a soothing balm for those tariff burns. Now, for my hot stock pick of the day, I'm eyeing Meta Platforms like a hawk eyeing its prey. JP Morgan just called it the best megacap tech stock to buy after the market's recent downturn. They're saying Meta's diversified advertiser base and strong ad platform make it more resilient to economic uncertainty. Plus, with the launch of their new Llama 4 AI model, Meta's not just posting selfies anymore, they're positioning themselves as an AI powerhouse. For you options junkies out there, I'm recommending a Meta April 2025 $650 call. It's riskier than skydiving without a parachute, but if Meta keeps crushing it in the ad game and makes waves in AI, you could be riding higher than Zuckerberg's metaverse avatar. Looking ahead to tomorrow, March 21st, I'm predicting we'll see some cautious optimism in the market. The S&P 500 and Dow might ride the Fed's dovish coattails for a bit, but keep your eyes peeled for any signs of stagflation jitters. One whiff of bad economic data, and we could see a sell-off faster than you can say, quantitative tightening. That's all for today, you beautiful bunch of bulls and bears. Remember, in the stock market jungle, only the informed survive. So stay savvy, stay hungry, and may your portfolios always be greener than the Incredible Hulk after a kale smoothie. Big Money Mike, signing off.